Hey guys, Shauna the Tax Goddess here. Now I have an odd feeling this video is going to be pretty popular. So S-elections, okay? We have seen at least 100 cases where a client has come to Tax Goddess and said, I need some strategy. I made a ton of money last year. My CPA says I'm a Schedule C, and I'm going to pay a bunch of tax because I'm going to pay self-employment tax and income tax and all of this income, okay? My CPA says I cannot convert to an S-Corp to save the tax. It always floors me, it always surprises me that so many CPAs don't know about, I guess it's a little known fact, about the late election relief that is approved and allowed by the IRS. Now, the IRS has given us this extra relief. It's per RevProc, per the revenue procedure, RevProc 2013-30. And I want to share this with you guys here because this is such a powerful thing here, all right? And we see this over and over and over again. The late election, this allows you to do a late election. So normally, if you're filing to obtain an election as an S-Corp, you have to do it before the end of the year for the year in which you want that tax return to be filed, or you have up until the date of the tax return, the original tax return being filed, which is March. Now, so many CPAs don't seem to know this, okay? There is a late election relief. So for all my CPAs out there, this will help you and your clients as well to convert from Schedule C to an S-Corp after the end of the year, okay? When you file, there's a special form you have to file. It's Form 2553, okay? You have to file the form. You have to fill out the form. At the top of the form, you write, filed pursuant to RevProc 2013-30. Okay. And you have to give the information as to what's going on. Why is it late? What's going on? So you have to say there's a spot where you have to write a paragraph. We intended to be classified. It only failed because it wasn't done on time by December 31st. Okay. We have a reasonable cause. The administrative assistant was supposed to file it. She didn't file it on time. All the entity and the shareholders will report their income consistent with the election, with the S-election, and 3 years and 75 days have not passed. So less than 3 years and 75 days have not yet passed, right? So you can actually go backwards up to 3 years and still get an S-election, okay? Now you'll notice there are some exceptions to this, right? You can't be a corporation. You can't fail to qualify because it's not timely filed, right? There are some exceptions to this, so make sure you're reading the exceptions. We'll make sure that we put a link to this page in the comments for everybody, okay? But pretty please, do not let your CPA tell you there's nothing that can be done. There is absolutely something that can be done here, okay? We just saved, about 2 weeks ago, we just saved a client over $150,000 by implementing the RevProc 2013-30. Their CPA, their previous CPA, told them they could not do this, okay? So I wanna make sure that all of our business owners out there, you guys know this can be done. It's pretty easy to be done. The IRS literally spells out the instructions, okay? We'll make sure you guys get the link for the IRS webpage on this for the late relief election. And if you have any questions, if your CPA is telling you, no, that strategy won't work and this strategy won't work and you can't do that, you can't do this, there's always a way to do it legally. Of course, you guys know me legally, right? There's always a way to do it. You just have to know how to do it. And that's what Tax Goddess specializes in, right? We specialize in telling you the steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is how you do it. This is how you get the tax strategy. And this is how you make it work for you. Okay, so if you're looking for some strategy in your life, we would certainly love to bring you some tax love and some tax strategy. Tax Goddess would love to add your savings figures to our $1 billion in savings for our clients. So reach out to the team. We will review your information, take a look at everything, see what we can do to help, and see how we can get more money back in your pocket. So I hope you're having a wonderful day and a wonderful week, and we'll talk to you soon. So reach out if you have any questions. TaxGoddess.com. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.